Pay BharatPe, two of India's biggest fintech brands. Both went to court and the court said, "We cannot help either of you because you don't have a registered trademark." Today, I'm going to tell you how you can protect your brand name with just 6 months by using 20,000 rupees trick. Kindly watch this video till the end to know it. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Intelligensia Private Limited. A logo isn't actually protected unless it is trademark registered. If your logo and the brand name is not applied before trademark and if you do not get a registered status, you will lose the legal protection and you will also not be able to stop the other people who are copying your brand names. For example, if you take a popular channel called Aaj Tak, they filed a case against a digital YouTube channel for using a similar logo which was visually similar. Delhi High Court stopped the other party from using that logo because it was very similar and it was confusing to the customer. Aaj Tak could implement their right because they were the registered owner of it and they had a strong brand presence in the market. Another popular case in India about trademark is nothing but PhonePe versus BharatPe. Now, PhonePe actually filed a case against BharatPe in Mumbai High Court and they claimed that using the term pay after the name Bharat actually was confusing to the customer because both PhonePe and BharatPe looks visually similar and pronunciation also visually similar. But the problem here was PhonePe also did not have a registered brand name but they have applied for a trademark. BharatPe also has applied for a trademark but they did not have a registered brand name. Now, court could not be in favor of any two of them because both of them did not have a registered status. Now, the court was looking into various other factors like who was having a strong brand presence, who has promoted themselves on a large scale in India. But here, I would like to give you an opinion. If any one of the party, either PhonePe or BharatPe, if they have applied the trademark through expedite process, they could have got registered within 6 months of applying their brand name and someone would have claimed that I am the legal ownership. So, I'm going to tell you at the end of this video what is the trademark expedite process. Kindly wait till the end. Another example is where Amazon had to end up paying a huge damage to a brand called Beverly Hills Polo Club because in India, in Amazon platform, there was a third-party seller who was selling a clothing brand which was similar to that of Beverly Hills Polo Club. Amazon was not aware of it, but still it was selling the product. Now, Beverly Hills filed a case against Amazon for doing this. After this case law, Amazon actually made a strict policy of any third party who would like to use Amazon to sell their product should have applied for a trademark and if they have a registered status, they get the immediate approval. From these case laws, we can understand what are all the disadvantages of not applying for a trademark. The number one disadvantage is your competitors can copy your brand. Secondly, you cannot file a case against them strongly to protect your brand. Number 3, if you have not applied for your brand name, your competitor will apply and will get the registered status. Number 4, if your competitor gets the registered status, he will file a case against you to stop your brand name from being used. Then you will face a huge loss in rebranding your product. In order to avoid all these financial losses in your brand name, you need to go with one-step process of legal protection that is none other than trademark registration. In India, how trademark registration works? Number 1, you have to actually go through a process called trademark legal search, hiring a legal expert and getting to know whether you can get your brand names registered or not. Number 2, you can apply for a trademark registration and file an application and get the number called trademark number. Number 3, once your application is filed, the examiner examines your application and gives an examination report. And after replying to the examination report, your application gets accepted and published in journal. Finally, you get the registered status. Now let's understand the time period. To get the TM number, that is the trademark number, it takes for a period of 1 week to 10 days. To get the registered status of the trademark, it will take a minimum of 12 months to a maximum of 30 months of time period. It varies from cases to cases. There are many business owners who keep complaining that the trademark process is taking 2 years of time and it is delaying the process of getting the brand ownership. In order to avoid such a long period of time, I am going to tell you one simple trick wherein which you can avoid all this time period and get your trademark registered in 6 months. That is none other than trademark expedite examination process. Once you file your trademark and you get the TM number, after that you can apply before trademark registry with a form where you can pay 20,000 rupees to government and ask your examination to be done within 1 week of time. And what happens is an examiner is immediately appointed for your case, an examination report is given, and if you submit the examination report within 30 days of time, your application will be accepted and move towards the next step. Now when you are going to go for this expedite process, within 6 months of time you can get registered. The reason is within 10 days you will get your trademark number, and within the next 30 days you will get the examination report and you can submit the reply within that time period. If your application gets accepted, it will be published in journal. The journal publication is for about 3 months of time, and after that your application gets the registered status. So calculating all this time, around 6 months you can get it registered. Once you get your brand name registered, what are all the advantages you get? But before knowing these advantages, if you are a business owner who has started the business newly, or if you have started the business already and wanting to develop your business, we have created a WhatsApp business community for the development of your business. In the description, we have given that WhatsApp community link. Click on the link and join now and get the clarity to develop your business. Now let's get to know about advantages of getting the trademark registered. Number 1, you get a legal ownership and exclusive right. Number 2, you can file a case against the competitors who are copying your brand name. Number 3, since you have a legal ownership, you can claim damages from the people who are copying it. Number 4, you get a very huge brand value assets for registering your brand name. Last but not least, it will be a waste of time if you are going to spend a lot of money on marketing to build your brand but fail to legally protect it. Only if you have a registered brand name, you can claim the legal rights against the people who copy it. Trademark registration is not optional. Actually, it is the only legal way to protect your brand name from being copied. If you want to protect your brand name with this expedite process of 6 months, then kindly call to this number and get your consultation today. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Intelligensia Private Limited.